Lynn Brown, you asked on Facebook, how do you get your drawings on pillows and phone cases? So I'm here to tell you guys. I'm here at Notion, the company and the digital design tool that makes it possible for me to drop my drawings on home decor items, tech accessories, and even tote bags now. So as you can see, it's a really beautiful brick and beam building. It's from 1929 and it's in Toronto's Junction neighborhood. It's a former macaroni factory and later it was an art school. How fitting. I'm going to take you inside now. We're going to meet Kyla and she's going to explain how Notion creates and customizes my artwork to fit on products. You're going to meet the people that are working in the printing, the cutting, and the sewing stations. So let's go. So I'm here with Kyla at her workstation and she's going to show us now how they receive one of my drawings and then take us through the steps of how it ends up on a pillow.
Yes. So you'll see here your beautiful watches, a throw pillow. This was an order that someone actually made on your site. It came through to our back end, to our shipping screen and production screen. So we know to make it, to print it, to sew it obviously, and to ship it out. This one is when you're picking up today, so we can see the final piece. But yeah, this is how it would all work. It's pretty seamless. Also see, it tells me the sizing and if it's got an insert or not, because that is another option to not have one.
So we've seen when you receive the order through Shopify. Now tell us what you do next after you've got the order in and the image is placed on that template, that pillow template.
Yeah, for sure. I can take you to the area where we print it.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
This is Wilma the factory dog. Oh yes.
Okay. Not the most vibrant, but something is printing, so I can show you. Alright, so this is where the paper is printed, and it's got this special sublimation dye on there, which works with our printing process. So yeah, it prints out here on rolls, and then...
So can I go back just 1 second? You said this is where the paper prints. So what do you mean? Do you not print directly to fabric?
No. So it prints first on this special paper.
Yeah.
As specific as I can be, but it's got sublimation dye ink on there.
Yeah.
Which is what we need to transfer it to the fabric.
Okay. And look at this dye setup. This is like your ultimate printer ink right here, folks. Look at all this.
Oh yeah.
Unbelievable. Okay.
Yeah, and I can show you the other stage.
Yep. So you peel off that piece of paper.
Yeah, so it's on the roll still, and we just bring it up here, and we place fabric.
Here's a piece of fabric.
So just say it's cut like, you know, like a square pillow.
Yeah.
You put the fabric on top, and it goes through this press. And the press is again heated, so it's a heated press motion. Very similar to the cases, but the cases were heated and suction. So very similar process. The dyes are sublimation, so it goes into the fabric when it's heated. Turns into the gas, yeah.
So now Kyla's showing us what, we're making this up because I already had one of my watches pillowcases printed, but this is what it would look like when it comes off the printer.
Yes, so it would come out like this, and it would just be one bit of fabric here and another piece of fabric here.
So two pieces.
So two pieces.
And in this case, it's cut for a 20-inch by 20-inch pillowcase.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So then you've got these two pieces of fabric, Kyla. I'm guessing that the next thing you do is you go over to the sewing area.
Yes. There's Wilma. Hey,
Here's Wilma.
She likes your piece. Hey, come on.
Oh my gosh. Workplace and dogs, they belong together. What do you guys call this? The sewing room?
Yeah, like the sewing area. Yeah.
Okay. And how many full-time seamstresses do you have?
So you have Jess, who leads the sewing team.
Hi, Jess. Hi.
And you have Kate as well, so they're the two full-time.
Hi, Kate.
Then you have Michelle and you have Robin, and they're on contract, so they come in on our very busy times, which is right now.
Well, Jess is one of the people that has been sewing my pillows and adding invisible zippers and all of that good stuff. You do such a great job, so thank you. Notion is about a year old.
Right.
Ever since you've been doing print on-demand pillows for about a year. How new is this technology, this ability to work with people like me? I don't have to take on inventory, I don't have to worry about shipping. You guys make it so easy.
Right. Yeah, it is something we developed with a couple of developers that we sourced. So we developed this technology like 1.5 years ago, I would say. So it took about half a year to get the technology where it is, so we could actually do this on the back end. Yeah.
And how is Notion different to what was being offered on print to order, print demand before? Like, how did you guys make it a little even easier and more?
Right, yeah, I think the 3D customizer makes it very easy for people to see exactly what it's going to look like and exactly how they want to lay it out before they make orders. And so it's all very quick and easy, and it turns around very fast, and that's why we can do on demand as well. We don't just do huge quantities, like we don't just do wholesale or anything like that. We can do one-off pieces.
Which is wonderful for people like me, creative entrepreneurs and artists who don't necessarily have the budget to do a minimum spend with a company like you. So that was really helpful in helping to develop a business.
Yes, and that's what we're really there for. We want to support new entrepreneurs and businesses and artists, and we've always been artist focused as well, so it's great.